Normally, often we were making the follower wait, and we wait in the moment of the cross. This time, we will just take one beat into the cross. So we will keep going very evenly in each movement. 2, 3, 4, turn, go, close. And for the follower, 2, 3, 4, cross and turn, go, close. Not as often we do to make a pause there. It's another possibility. Sometimes a pause, sometimes we keep steadily the beat and make a movement on each beat. 2, 3, 4, turn, go, close. And for the follower, 2, 3, 4, cross and turn, go, close. One more time, the leader. 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn, go, close. And one more time, the follower. 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn, go, close.
I want to clarify something for the followers. In the very first part, you do a side step, and then you are staying here on your right foot. The leader is changing weight, but you will go back with your left and then going to the cross. The leader leads me to go here, and then with the arm that he holds around my back, I will feel that I don't say lift, but it's a little upward movement to show me that I shouldn't change weight.